You can see I have the Lionway 13-in-1 hub, or docking station as they call it. I have my mouse and my keyboard plugged in right here and it's not working. So I move it to the next one. And you don't hear anything click. No bells going off because it's not working. The next one, plug it in, nothing happens. These last two do work. You just heard the bell, that means it's working. And here's my mouse, you can see it moving down the corner. So that does work, so does the last one, I tried that as well. My monitor, you can see I have two monitors here. I had to plug it into my computer itself because it stopped working. I plug it in back here. So you can see I have it plugged in, it's not working. I'll plug it into my computer again. And there you go, comes on. So I've had this about 8 months. I started losing functionality with the ports probably around month 5 or 6. And now it's gotten so bad, it's almost unusable and I have to order another one because 4 or 5 of the ports do not work, probably. So there you go, not very useful.
Aquí está. Estoy conectando sin nada de nada. No funciona. No tiene ningún golpe, ninguna caída. Pero no se prende. Mira, ahí está. Lo conecto. Y no da la lucecita, no se prende. No se prende nada. No sirve. Pésimo.
Now I'm connecting using a DP port, and I plug in the MacBook. Does show there's an external display, but the screen doesn't work.